I bet you didn't know how easy it is to fix your Subaru Forester backup camera. Stick around and I'll show you how. First things first, check if your backup camera lens is clean. Sometimes a little dirt or water can block the view. Use a soft cloth to wipe it gently. Next, let's make sure the settings are correct. Go to the main menu on your car's display. Select Settings, then Camera. Ensure all options are enabled. If everything looks good but the camera's still not working, move on to the next step. Now, let's inspect the wiring. Open your trunk and locate the camera's connection. Make sure the wires are firmly connected. A loose wire could be the culprit. Still no luck? Try resetting the system. Turn off your car, wait a few minutes, then restart it. This simple reboot can sometimes solve the problem. If the camera is still not working, it could be a software issue. Check for any available system updates. Go to Settings, then System Updates on your car's display. Follow the instructions to update. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be time to visit your Subaru dealer. They can diagnose and fix any hardware issues. So there you have it. A few quick steps to troubleshoot your Subaru Forester backup camera. Safe driving.